Hi friends, I am Anas from Website Wise. Today in this video, we will learn how to install Google Recaptcha in your WordPress website. So if you also want to know this, then you must watch this video till the end. So first of all you need to do is simply you have to come at your WordPress dashboard. So as you can see over here, first of all, you have to install a plugin which is WP Forms. Basically it is a contact form or a form builder plugin. Okay, so as you can see over WP Forms, I'm sure that you may be aware of this awesome and big plugin, but we don't have to do anything. We don't have to create a new form over here. All we have to do is simply go in the settings section, because if you want Google Recaptcha below the WordPress contact form, then you must use this. Alright, so as you can see over here, let me just come in the pages section and show you the contact page. So as you can see, currently it looks like this. There is no Google Recaptcha. So if you want to add Google Recaptcha below this contact form, then it is very useful, as it will protect your website from being hacked or some spamming activities. Alright, so you must add this. To do this, you have to come back to your WordPress dashboard and you have to go in the captcha section. And now as you can see over here, there are three types: none, HCaptcha and Recaptcha. You have to click on Recaptcha, and now you have to scroll below. So here is a section of checkbox invisible and Recaptcha v3. It means version 3. You have to select this Recaptcha version 3. So here you have to paste the site key and here secret key, and as you can see, you have to click on save settings. Now where we will get this site key and secret key? For this you have to simply come to Google and search over here Google Recaptcha. So as you can see over here, you have to open this website which is Recaptcha, Google Recaptcha, and you have to click on W3 admin console. And now it will be automatically logged in with one of your email address, okay, email account, Google account. So as you can see over here, you have to write the label. It means you can write your website name or just anything else. So here I'm going to write my website name, and below you can see over here Recaptcha type, Recaptcha v3, Recaptcha v2. So we are going to go with Recaptcha v3, and here you have to add the domain name of your website. So you have to remove this HTTPS if you want. Okay, make sure that you remove this path also, and it looks good, zoish.com. So you have to click on this accept the Recaptcha terms of services and click on submit button. So as you can see over here, we have got the site key and the secret key. All we need to do is simply copy this site key, come back to your WordPress dashboard and paste over here. And again come back to Google Recaptcha, copy the secret key and come back to Google dashboard and paste this secret key over here. So after doing this much, all you have to do is simply click on save settings. Now we are done. Now if you want this Google Recaptcha below this contact form, you have to go to this contact form. It means you have to come back to WP Forms main page and you have to open this form. It means you have to edit this form. Now as you can see Google Recaptcha. Alright, you have to simply click over here, and Google v3 Recaptcha has been enabled for this form. Don't forget to save your form. You have to click on OK and then click on save. Now if you will come back to your website and click on refresh button. Now after refreshing, as you can see over here, Google Recaptcha symbol, it means protected by Recaptcha. It means that this WP contact form is protected by Google Recaptcha. So whenever necessary, it will ask the user to complete the Recaptcha and then fill the form. So hence in this way you can stop the spam comments or spam messages on your contact form of WordPress website. So in this way you can even add this Google Recaptcha to the multiple pages of your website, even throughout the website. So I hope that you have learned from this video. If you have learned from this video, then make sure that you subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon for all notifications right in your inbox. Thanks for watching this video.